The Family tab in the Aspen portal allows parents and guardians to access current contact information, attendance data, grades, schedules, and documents from previous years, including report card and state and region scores. From the left menu, the Details view includes demographic information about your student, as well as currently listed addresses and bus information. The Daily Attendance menu lists absences, tardies, and early dismissals for the current year, as well as the reason code associated with those events. The Transcript menu will provide an overview of the current school year's grades, exam scores, and credits earned. If you would like to print or view an unofficial transcript that shows previous year's grades and credits, click on the Reports dropdown and choose Unofficial School Transcript. The Schedule view shows your student's schedule in matrix view. If you would like a list view, click the List View option in the top left of the screen. You also have the option to view the schedule by semester, year, or day. In the Document view, you can view, save, and print old report cards, score reports, and other student-related documents. Finally, the Notification view allows parents and guardians to set up alerts for attendance or grade reporting. Choose the alerts you want to subscribe to and the email address you'll be notified at. Grade reporting will be based upon the grade threshold you choose. For example, if you want to be notified of any score below an 80, set the grade threshold to 80.